Hey, good morning, students. Today is Monday, May 11th, and we have 3 weeks of school left, 15 days. This week we'll be working in Paxton Patterson again, and we're going to be talking about the foundations of engineering and engineering disciplines. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do after you watch this video, you're going to go into Foundations of Engineering, and it's going to walk you through the history of engineering. Engineering is all around us. Engineering versus science, which is a really good module, the foundation of engineering, and then you have an activity, the great engineering achievement. When you complete that, you will move along to engineering disciplines, where you will do what do engineers do. You will go over the engineering disciplines: chemical engineers, civil engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, interdisciplinary engineers, and then you have an engineering disciplines activity. This is a really good module to kind of expose you to some possible career paths as you move over toward the high school when you maybe start gaining interest in certain areas. So this is just a small module to really give you a good idea of what these different engineering disciplines do. Okay, once you complete that, you will be done for the week. So let me just go ahead and tell you what it's going to look like. So Monday and Tuesday, we will work on foundations of engineering. And Wednesday and Thursday, we will complete engineering disciplines. And then Friday, we will have our Fun Friday, not our Free Friday, but our Fun Friday, where we will wrap up the things for the week that we have not completed, and then we'll be able to do our early finisher activities and get ready for a good weekend. So if you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to call me at my desk, in my office. You can email me, you can message me in Canvas. Whichever one works for you. Okay, I hope you guys have a good week, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.